Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the right paper and a small strip of temporary adhesive. Fold a square or rectangle to find the top edge. Make a 1/4-inch hinge fold where the sticky will sit. Apply a thin line of melted wax or diluted starch to the hinge, then press and let cool for 30–60 seconds so it bonds slightly. You do this now because an even hinge creates repositionable cling. Once set, the note will lift without tearing the paper. Now you make the adhesive layer that gives stick without tape. If using wax, cool it briefly so it's tacky, not liquid. If using starch, apply one thin coat and dry. If using gelatin, let it form a thin film. Press the hinge edge onto a clean surface, rub gently to flatten adhesive, then lift and test on a smooth surface. Make sure to keep layers very thin. Thicker layers gum up or become brittle, so the notes remain removable and reusable. Finish by trimming the notes and scoring the backside where you'll peel. Stick a test note to glass or a painted wall. If it lifts and repositions, you're done. If it sticks too much, sand the adhesive edge lightly or warm it to reduce tack. If it won't stick, add a whisper-thin second coat and let dry. One key tip: always test on an inconspicuous surface first to protect finishes, and make sure surfaces are dust-free for reliable adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.